Bhandardaura Camping Guide. Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Bhandardaura camping, a popular destination among nature lovers and adventure seekers. Bhandardaura is a small village located in the Sahyadri mountain range in Maharashtra, India. It is known for its serene beauty, lush greenery, and picturesque waterfalls. Bhandardaura is a perfect destination for camping, trekking, and hiking. If you are planning to go camping in Bhandardaura, here are some things that you need to know. Firstly, make sure you have all the necessary camping gear, such as a tent, sleeping bags, a stove, and cooking utensils. You can either rent or buy these items from the local shops in Bhandardaura. Secondly, choose a good camping site. Bhandardaura has many camping sites near the lake, rivers, and waterfalls. These sites are safe and offer a stunning view of the surroundings. You can also opt for a guided camping tour, which includes camping gear, food, and a professional guide. Thirdly, make sure you follow the camping rules and regulations. It is important to keep the campsite clean and not to disturb the natural environment. You should also avoid making loud noises and using firewood from the nearby forests. Now that you know the basics of camping in Bhandardaura, let's talk about some of the activities you can do during your camping trip. Firstly, you can go on a trek to the nearby mountains and explore the beautiful scenery. There are many trekking trails in Bhandardaura, ranging from easy to difficult, and you can choose one according to your level of fitness. Secondly, you can take a dip in the pristine waters of the lake and the rivers. The cool water is refreshing and can be a great way to beat the heat during summers. Thirdly, you can sit around the campfire at night, enjoy some delicious food, and share stories with your friends or family. The starry sky is a sight to behold, and you can spend hours gazing at the constellations. In conclusion, Bhandardaura camping is an experience of a lifetime. It is a perfect getaway from the hustle and bustle of the city and a great way to connect with nature. We hope this video has been helpful, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.